Hello, friends! Today, we're taking an underwater adventure to meet some incredible ocean creatures. The ocean is full of amazing animals. Some are big, some are small, and some can even glow in the dark. Are you ready to explore? Let's dive in. Fish come in all shapes, sizes, and colors. Some are tiny like clownfish, while others are huge like whale sharks. Fish use their fins to swim and their gills to breathe underwater. They love to swim in schools to stay safe. Can you wiggle your arms like a fish swimming in the water? Dolphins are super smart and love to play in the waves. They can jump high out of the water and love to swim in groups called pods. Dolphins talk to each other using clicking and whistling sounds and use echolocation to find food. Can you jump like a dolphin? An octopus has 8 wiggly arms called tentacles. It can change colors and even squirt ink to hide from danger. Did you know an octopus has 3 hearts? Wow! Can you wiggle your arms like an octopus? Sea turtles are peaceful ocean creatures that have been around since the time of dinosaurs. They have a hard shell to protect them and use their strong flippers to swim long distances. Baby sea turtles hatch from eggs on the beach and crawl into the ocean to start their journey. Can you move your arms like a sea turtle swimming? Sharks have been swimming in the ocean for millions of years. They have lots of sharp teeth that keep growing back if they fall out. Some sharks, like the whale shark, are gentle giants that eat tiny sea creatures called plankton. Can you make a shark fin with your hands? Jellyfish look like floating umbrellas. They don't have a brain, heart, or bones, but they can still move through the water. Some jellyfish can glow in the dark deep in the ocean. Can you float like a jellyfish? Did you know starfish aren't actually fish? They have 5 arms, and if they lose one, they can grow it back. Starfish don't have eyes like we do, but they can sense light and move using tiny tube feet on their arms. Can you stretch your arms out like a starfish? Wow! The ocean is full of incredible creatures. Here are some fun facts. The ocean covers 70% of the Earth. There are more than 33,000 types of fish. The biggest ocean creature is the blue whale. Isn't that amazing? Wow! You did an amazing job learning about ocean creatures today. Which ocean animal was your favorite? Tell us in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun learning videos. See you next time.